first grade. Today we're going to do lesson 9 and it's on page 61. So have your pencil, have page 61 open, and have your counters. It's always good to have the counters and your work mat with the part whole. You're doing a great job, so keep doing a nice job, first grade. You guys are really doing well. Thank you. So let's get started on this lesson. How do you add numbers? Well, this time we're going to make eights. So in this story, we have some swimmers, all right? And here's the water. It says that there are 5 people swimming. So we're going to have that as one of our parts. If we were going to do our problem-solving plan, we would underline 5 people swimming. We would underline 3 more people join them. And here's what we want to know. How many people are swimming in all? So we would circle that. So let's put our 2 parts and then find how many are in all. And you can use your chips. We know that there were 5 people swimming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 3 more people join them. So 3 more, and we could make 3 yellow. Mr. B is just going to use red because I don't have a yellow marker. Let's count. How many are in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 people swimming now. Let's do some more. All right, turn your page. And you can use your work mat, but let's do this one first. We can just see these counters right here. There were 3 red, here's 3, and there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow. And what is 3 plus 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so we trace over the 8. Well, let's see if Mr. B can trace over that a little nicer, all right? I'll trace my 8. There we go. Now, there's another way to make 8. Let's flip 2 of the red ones to yellow and count 1 part red, here's the 1, and 7 yellow, here's the 7. 1 plus 7. Well, here's 7, and 1 more is 8. So again, the answer is 8. Let's do a couple more down here. So that's different ways to make the same sum or the same total, the same whole. All right, we're going to use a work mat, and there's different ways to make a sum of 8. Let's see. If I had 1 red, I'll start with 1 red, then I would have to have 7 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I would have 1 red plus 7 yellow, and that makes 8. This time, I will turn this yellow one to a red, and now I'll have 2. Okay, here's problem 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to keep going back and forth like that. Now I have 2 red. Let's count the yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2 plus 6 makes 8. I have 8 counters here. I'm not adding any. I'm only turning the yellow over to a red. We'll turn 1 more. Now we have how many red? 3. Well, we took 1 away from the yellow. 1 away from 6 makes 5 now. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow. Number 4. Let's make another one red. Turn this yellow one over. So now we have 4 red and 4 yellow. 4 plus 4. That's one of our doubles. And that makes 8. We'll keep going. Turn this one over to a red. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red. And 1, 2, 3 yellow. And 5 plus 3 equals 8. And 1 more. Turn this one over, and we have how many? We have 6 red. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and only 2 yellow now. but that still is equal to 8. Look at all the different ways we can make 8. Let's go to the bottom and see what we have here. And now it says you should add. And you can use your counters, or we can count on, is a good way to count. But let's go 4. We'll start with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to count 4 more. Now you can put 4 yellow there, but let's start at 4 and count 4 more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we call that counting on from the biggest number. Here's the biggest number, 6. And we'll count 2 more. 6, 7, 8. That equals 8 also. Here we have 8 plus 0. Remember what happens when we add 0? Well, 0 is the same as none. 8 plus none is 8. It's the other number. And 7, and one more, 7, 8. All of these equal 8. We're making 8s. How could you use counters to show ways to make 8? Well, we did it before. You can do it again. Just turn some red and some yellow, and you'll have lots of different ways. All right, first grade. First grade, you keep doing a great job. Thank you.